Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear children, today we are going to learn least common multiple. In short, we call it LCM. LCM of two or more than two numbers is the least number, a smallest number, which can be divided by all the given numbers exactly. Let me repeat it. LCM of two or more than two numbers is the least number which is exactly divisible by the given numbers. To make it more clear, let us take an example. Take number 8 and 12. Now write the multiples of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, and so on. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24. You need to keep an eye on the thing that as soon as we get a common multiple, for example 24 is here, 24 is here, you need not write any more multiples. So this common multiple, of course you will have some more multiples of the two numbers also, but 24 is the smallest number which is a multiple of both the numbers 8 and 12. So we say 24 is the LCM, that is least common multiple of 8 and 24. Hence we write, therefore the LCM of 8 and 12 equal to 24. Here one thing I would like to point out. What do we mean by this LCM 24? In fact, no number less than 24 is exactly divisible by 8 and 12 both. You may check it. Write the numbers from 1 to 24 and check whether they are divisible by 8 and 12 both or not. You will be surprised to see that no number lying between 1 and 24 is exactly divisible by 8 and 12 both. So we say the least common multiple, that is the least number or the smallest number exactly divisible by 8 and 12 is 24, and that is the meaning of LCM. Let us take next example. The next example that we are going to take, the numbers are 8, 10 and 40. 8, 10 and 40. Again the same thing. Write the multiples of the given number. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, and so on. 10, 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, and 10 4 is 40, and 40 first multiple is 40 itself. And so have we got the common multiple? Yes, of course. And we say the LCM or least common multiple of 8, 10 and 40 is 40, right? The LCM of 8, 10 and 40 is equal to 40. Dear children, one thing you may notice, this out of the three numbers, 40 is the largest number. And we may wonder how many multiples we need to write. If you write the multiple of the largest number and then write the multiples of the smaller number, keep an eye on whether one matches with it or not. Then your work becomes easy. Let us take one more example. The numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, write the multiples of the given numbers. 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14. Now write the multiples of these three and see if we get a common multiple of the numbers or not. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Yes, we have. Now 5. 5 1 ja 5. But here we don't get a common multiple of all the three numbers. So extend it. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 15. 15 is not here. 5 4 ja 20. Extend it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. 15 we have got, but not in this line. 16, 18, 20. 20 is there, but not in this line. See, not in this line. So extend it. 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30, 2 10 ja 20, 11 2 ja 22, 12 2 ja 24, 13 2 ja 26, 14 2 ja 28, 15 2 ja 30. Now if 30 is a multiple of 5, it's okay. 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja 30. And so yes, we may stop here. We have got the first common multiple of the given numbers, and so this is the required LCM. We write therefore the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is equal to 30. Again the same thing. No number less than 30 is exactly divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Numbers less than 30 may be divisible by 1 or 2 numbers, but not all the 3 numbers, and that's the meaning of LCM. So, dear children, what did we see? If you write the multiples of the greater number, you may have an idea how many multiples or up to which multiple you will have to write, and hence it would be better, and I would suggest you to proceed like this, that is by writing the multiples of the greater number and then the smaller number, and that will make your work more easy. To make my point clear, let us do the same question by writing the multiples of this number first. The same numbers are there, 2, 3 and 5. And here I am going to write the multiples of 5. And at the same time, while writing the multiples, I will need to keep an eye on the fact that whether this multiple is also a multiple of this 2 or 3 or not. I mean, whether this number is divisible by these two numbers exactly or not. 5 is not divisible by 2 or 3. So next multiple of 5 is 10. 5 2 are 10. This 10 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. Go for the next multiple of 5. 15. 15 is divisible by 3 but not by 2. Next 20. It is divisible by 2 but not by 3. 25. Divisible by neither 2 nor 5. 3. Neither 2 nor 3. Next is 30. 30 is divisible by 3 and 2 both. So 30 is going to be our LCM of the given numbers 2, 3 and 5. Let us write the multiples of 2 and 3 also and check whether this 30 is a common multiple of the numbers 2, 3 and 5 or not. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. You will have to continue writing the multiples up to 30. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now write the multiples of this number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Isn't it easy? Yes. I hope you will apply this. First, write the multiple of the largest number. Keep an eye. You have learned divisibility test. Keep an eye on the thing that whether the written multiple of the largest number is divisible by the remaining numbers or number whatever the case may be or not. If it is, stop there itself and go for the other numbers. The LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is equal to 30. Dear children, I am sure you would have enjoyed this learning very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.